Rise Credit Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking to build or improve your credit, the Rise Credit app promises guidance and tracking, but is it really effective? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming credit building tools are complicated. Rise Credit lets you monitor your credit score, track payments, and view personalized tips all in one app. It also sends reminders, helping you avoid late payments that can hurt your score. The app supports multiple account types and gives users insight into credit utilization, which is a critical factor in improving scores. You can also access educational resources on how to manage credit wisely, making it a strong tool for both beginners and those recovering from past credit issues. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app occasionally lags or has login issues. Additionally, certain features are limited to users with active Rise Credit accounts, and customer support can be slow to respond. Finally, the app does provide full access to your detailed credit report, only your score and summary. In conclusion, the Rise Credit app is a practical tool for anyone looking to build or monitor credit. The surprising truth is that while it offers education, tracking, and reminders, it cannot replace professional financial advice or provide a full credit report. For those committed to improving their credit, Rise Credit simplifies monitoring, encourages responsible behavior, and keeps your goals visible. It's a convenient companion for credit building, but don't rely on it as your only resource.